Well, let me just take that piece of wood off and paint it. Oh, I don't have enough hands. Oh, it's Tuesday. It's Tuesday. So last week we got done the painting on the outriggers and fixing them up, grinding them down. I put in these little spaces across here. There's 3 of them, and the one over there. Them in and painted, and this cross member here was also done last week. We also got some of the foam in, a little test run to see how that went. Obviously, as you can see, I'm going to need some more for sure. And we did that both sides. And then we also cleaned up, everything's looking a lot more clean, it's a lot nicer now. And finally on Sunday, me and the boss came and we discussed about all the tanks. I mean, that was 3 hours, I think 4 hours. Yesterday, I went and collected some pieces I needed, such as these pieces of metal. They're just little angle pieces that can go, I don't have enough hands. So those pieces of little angle iron can go across the back here as a support for the ply, and we'll just do self-tappers into the metal. And I'm also going to use it to make a little bracket across the bottom here. From here to here, there's no support for that piece of ply to go on. So I'm going to make that as well. Hopefully today we'll do that and we'll do that. So now it's a case of finishing up what I want to finish up this side. So I want to finish up down here. I want to finish up the frame because it's just more convenient now. It's easier to work on. This leg right here, I specifically made to go between the tank. Like that, about there. Like that. Perfect. Looks nice, right? It's not going to rub against the tank. All good. One floor. The strap goes up here, across there. Well, I'm having a bit of a dilemma with putting on this piece that goes around. The 6mm I think will bend around okay, but to get these bits on, they go overlapping over these pieces. And before I can put these pieces on permanently, I need to take them off, fill the insulation behind again, seal the wood, so I need to paint the whole backside and the edges. I then need to silicone the pieces of wood that go across that it's attached to, which is also no problem. Then comes the possible problem. On this side, we have these webs here. One there, and there's one there the same. Little funky shape, looks nice. I need that on this side, which means ideally I need to do those first. Now to do those first, I need to have pieces of metal made for that. Not made, but I have to have the metal. And I have to make those pieces in that funky little shape. That's no problem there. So I can take the ply boards off and I can begin painting them. I'm gonna have to do at least 2 coats of paint on them. Probably 1 primer and 1 bilge paint. I might as well put bilge paint behind there. It'll keep it nice and waterproof and solid. It's not as simple as putting a piece of wood on a wall, you know. This is where a lot of the time goes. Planning it and then, well, let me just take that piece of wood off and paint it. Oh, but now I've got to put these webs in. Now I've got to fix all the insulation behind it. Now I've got to do this, now I've got to do that. Alright, I hope the microphone's working. Seems to be a bit odd, I don't know. But I've created a bar to here. I've created a bar across here. But I've created a bar to here, I've created a bar going across there, that little bar there going across there. So this one's just screwed in either side to the existing wood. This one is just screwed that side, welded there, then this one is welded both sides. Now I'm gonna go get the screw fix order. It's all ready, so that's good. Roll up. Bin bags, expanding foam. Beautiful. I think I've got about 2 hours now, so I think if I attach the bars across the bottom, that one there, and the, whoop, sorry about that, and the one all the way across here, then I can foam like up to the bars today, and then flatten it out, and then it can be drying overnight, and probably tomorrow I can trim that down. Hopefully, I bought some long blades for the Stanley knife, so I can hopefully cut it up easier. So I think that would be the plan for now. Bars are in, 2, 3. I've got this one along here, welded both sides, welded and screwed. So now I want to do some foam. So I'm going to kind of layer up the bottom up to that bar as best I can, and I'm really hoping it's not going to slip down beneath. I put a bar here and a little bar here, and I might try to put something here just to hold that in place until it's, you know, expanded enough and it's grabbing the stuff around it. But I think to start with, it's going to be a bit of a pain in the ass. Hope the microphone's working still. So, should be good to go on this. I've made a little barrier, some pieces of wood the best I can. So we'll just see what happens really. Remember, this is expanding foam, not normal foam. I've used all the foam doing this bit and the other bit over there, but it's risen up a lot, annoyingly. The last bit didn't rise up really at all. It didn't expand very much really, and this one is just like... So I'm going to clean up a bit, probably 30 minutes or so, and then head home, I think. So nice. Alright, we're pretty much all flattened out. I forgot my microphone doesn't work. But anyway. On this side, we have these webs here. One there, and there's one there the same. Little funky shape, looks nice. I need that on this side, which means ideally I need to do those first.